In this video I will show you how to add background to UWP application, how to change the background color, and how to apply acrylic background. So let's see. First open up Visual Studio, then create a new project. This is UWP application, C# language for Windows. Project type is UWP. Sorry, first type is UWP blanket. Then give it a name. And choose the location. I will choose the latest SDK version. In the last video I have talked little about this. At first we need to build this application to ensure that everything is working fine. Build successful. Now we need to add background color. This is our main page. In this page we will apply our controls, code, etc. Okay, this is a grid control. You can use grid control, it is by default, but you can also use the stack panel. But we will use grid. Sorry, I will use grid. We can define the background color in this grid or in the page. Yeah, so it is already defined background in the page level. So let's see how it looks if I change this background. Suppose background is red. Now the whole page is red. If we don't use grid, it doesn't matter at all. So let's build this application. See, the background is changed to red. Now we'll change the background at grid level. Suppose the page has no grid. Okay. Now in grid we'll change the background. Like yellow. Okay, apply yellow. Yes, now the grid is in yellow color. Why it is all over the page? Because the grid control consuming the whole area, that's why. Now if we specify the height and width of the grid, what happens? Let's see. Height is like 200, width is like 200, width is 300. Yes, okay. Now add the background to the at the page level. Background is red. Yes. Let's see. You see the background is changed at every level. This is a grid level, this is a page level. So if you think that I would change the background at grid level, you can do. If you think that at the page level, you can also do that. every control has background, okay, but sometimes not every control has background. Sometimes it has fill property like background. Suppose if I use rectangle doesn't have background property, it has fill property, okay. You see, now it is a rectangle. Now we will apply one kind of background to a grid control which is transparent. Everyone like transparency, so we will also apply like width is 300, also width is 400, height is also 400. And if one more thing, if you notice that when grid has no background, it means it is transparency. See, it is reflecting the page background. So we can use transparency using the default style. You can go to this website docs.microsoft.com/english/us/windows/uwp/design/style/acrylic. In this page you can choose any acrylic design. If I want to use the light theme, at the bottom you will get the style. Here, recommended uses, okay, acrylic theme resources. Yes, from here I will use. There is one thing you should know, that take a close look at this point. Acrylic element brush, okay, and in here acrylic window, acrylic element, acrylic window, acrylic element. Okay, what is the difference between window and element? Element is for elements, and window is for window. Suppose like you want to change the background for page, this is a window, okay, so you can do that. Or you can also do at grid level to use the element. Suppose it has a nested element, another rectangle. Grid has a background like yellow, and rectangle has a fill like transparency like acrylic, so rectangle fills color will reflect the grid's background color. And if the grid background color is like acrylic and page background color is like red, then grid will reflect the page background color with blur. And if you specify the window theme in grid background, then it will reflect the background of your desktop. So let's try. Suppose page has a red and grid, we'll apply the windows. And one more thing, what is tint opacity? Tint is a color level, and if we'll try different thing, first we'll try according to the tint opacity and use our window brush. So, and what is the fallback color, we will also discuss about this in the next video. I will show you how to apply them. Thank you for watching.